This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Becky Taylor. First time on the market. This gorgeous home has been kept in immaculate condition and it shows throughout. A generous, thoughtful floor plan flows with class and welcomes you into every spacious room. Large open kitchen with shaker maple cabinets and maple flooring has an abundance of high-end cabinets for your every need. Flowing into the open family room west/gas fireplace welcomes the Sunday games. Upstairs will delight you west/French doors welcoming you to your generous master with a bonus room for in-home office, exercise room, nursery. A walk-in ensuite west/double sinks, soaker tub and walk-in shower. 3 BDS are oversized west/1 having a space for study, crafts etc. A sunny large, private lot, garden shed, sprinkler system and room to grow. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Taylor at 360-734-7500.